In this video I will show how to download and install VirtualBox on Windows 11. Let's get started by opening a web browser and browse this URL virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. Then click on Windows host to download VirtualBox. I have already downloaded it on my machine. Go to download folder and open VirtualBox installer. Now click on next to continue installation. This is the default location where VirtualBox will be installed. You can change this location. By browsing another location. Click on next. Click on next. Okay. Now click on yes to proceed installation. Allow this app to make changes to your device. Now click on install. And also download VirtualBox extension pack. Click on finish. Now open Oracle VM VirtualBox and then click on preference and then click on extensions. Now click on this plus sign and then select Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. Now open. Okay. Now click on install. Scroll down and click on I agree. Now allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on yes. Okay, extension pack installed successfully. Now your VirtualBox manager is ready to install any operating system. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.